I'm rubbing sleep away from my heavy eyes, but the view I see is such a sweet surprise. The sunlight's dancing on the edge of the sheet, and the air around us feels so soft and sweet. I reach out my hand just to make sure you're real, trying to capture the way that I feel. Is it the moonlight lingering on, or is it the magic before the dawn? I'm floating on air, I'm weightless and free, lost in the version of you and me. It's a love like a dream, a beautiful blur, the sweetest reality that ever there were. No shadows to chase, no tears in the night, just wrapped in a glow of a golden light. I'm drifting dream. We're walking on clouds in the middle of town, and nobody else can ever bring us down. The colors are brighter, the edges are soft, every low whisper is carrying us aloft. It's a secret garden, a hidden place, reflected in every line of your face. Is it the moonlight lingering on, or is it the magic before the dawn? I'm floating on air, I'm weightless and free, lost in the version of you and me. It's a love like a dream, a beautiful blur, the sweetest reality that ever there were. No shadows to chase, no tears in the night, just wrapped in a glow of a golden light. I'm drifting away on a velvet street, living a love like a dream. If I'm still sleeping, don't wake me up yet. This is a feeling I'll never forget. Let the world keep on spinning, let the clocks keep their time, as long as your heartbeat is rhythm with mine. It's a love like a dream, a beautiful blur, the sweetest reality that ever there were. No shadows to chase, no tears in